Hello beautiful, this is Kirasecret Skincare. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. But guys, if you've not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below, like and share my video. Also follow me on my Instagram page at Kirasecret Skincare. Follow me on our new logistic page at Kirasecret Logistics. We ship both with DHL and with cargo. Okay, whether you're buying product from Mommy Kira, whether you're not buying, contact us. We're in Lagos, Nigeria here. We'll ship your goods to you at your doorstep. Also follow me on TikTok and Facebook at Kirasecret Skincare. Yes, okay, you can shop on my website at www.kirasecretskincareone.com. Our instant white, our Arabian, our snow white, our 𝐓𝐾s, they're on the website. You can go there and buy super effective and affordable product. Okay, we also sell original branded product also on the website. Please go to the website and place your order. Now you asking me prices, Mommy Kira, how much is this, how much is that? Go to the website. It's easy to shop. Okay, if you don't know how to shop on the website, send me a message on WhatsApp. I'm going to send you a short video on how you can shop on the website. It's very easy. Okay, follow the steps and you're going to shop. Okay, I love you guys so much. God bless you. God bless your family. Yes, today we'll be talking about kojic acid. Yes, one of my subscribers told me that, Mommy Kira, please show us how to dissolve kojic acid properly when we want to use it on our lotion or our cream or our face cream or our oil, our whitening body oil. See, if you know the importance of kojic acid, you will not play with it too. Most skincare formulators, they use kojic acid a lot. Okay, yes, if you have the normal rate and everything, it will not oxidize at all. Okay, kojic acid powder is a popular skincare ingredient. Okay, it has amazing potential benefits. Okay, and kojic acid powder, it brightens and whitens the skin. It reduces hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Okay, it also have anti-aging and antioxidant properties. It fades acne scars and blemishes. Guys, if you know how amazing kojic acid is, powder is, you will use it on your skincare production. You add it, you incorporate it inside your skincare formulation, guys. Okay, I'll be showing you guys today. Okay, I just, you know, this is an illustration video. Okay, this I just put little. This is just 10 gram of kojic acid powder. Okay, just watch me. I will show you guys, because I'm going to show you guys how to dissolve this powder. For it, you can use it to formulate anything of your choice. Okay, this is my distilled water. Okay, this is my distilled water. Okay, this is my distilled water. This is water. Okay, this is a temperature water. People dissolve their kojic acid like this. Okay, also people dissolve their kojic acid like this. Also, people double boil their kojic acid. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the two method. Okay, this one like this, you can see it. You continue stirring. Okay, let me show you guys also how you can do double boil it. Okay, yeah, this is the double boiler method we want to apply right now. Okay, I'll be putting in my kojic acid powder inside this double boiler. Okay, we're using the double boiler method so that we can ferment to have a crystal clear powder. Okay, it will be very clear. Okay, but guys, when you're doing it, low your gas or low your stove. Okay, yes, it will change. You can see it. I'm stirring it I'm stirring it. Okay, I have to reduce the heat. Okay, I have to reduce the heat. Yes, this is the, look at it. This is kojic acid. Okay, immediately it cool down to the room temperature. You can put it in your skincare production, be it your face cream, your body lotion, your soap. If you want, this is a full complete video on how to dissolve your kojic acid powder to crystal clear. Okay, like I explained, I showed you guys two methods. You can use it when you just put your distilled water and pour it like that. But if you want it more professionally, this is how you do it. Okay, and I hope you like this video. Like and share my video. Also follow me on my Instagram page at Kirasecret Skincare. Also follow us on our new logistic page at Kirasecret Logistics. Please shop on my website at www.kirasecretskincare. Hello beautiful, this is Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective, guys. Now is in 125 ml bottle. This product is super effective. It's super strong. If you're producing for your customer and your customer that are complaining that the product is not working, the product you are producing for them is not working, worry no more. Go and get Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective. You can't put it directly on your skin. You have to use it to produce, mix with your production for your customer to come back. It's super active and very, very effective. Okay, if you want to partner, okay, they need more distributor all over the world, in France, USA, Canada, Mexico, Europe, Germany, Switzerland, okay, Ghana, Togo, Mali, Gabon, okay, everywhere. Please, if you are interested, chat us up, okay, chat the number up on the screen and let's do business together. They're going to put your number on the screen, okay, so that anybody that wants to buy in your city will contact you directly. Hurry up, because this product is the number one, the champion. It's very, very effective. You can also buy in gallon. People that are promising, big promisers, okay, you can buy in gallon from 500 ml, from 1 liter, for 2.5, 5 liters, 10 liters. Those are for big producer. But if you want to be selling in bottles, it's not available in 125.